field foreman or a shop foreman who does not know how to lead. Some people know how to work and know how to get certain parts of a job done, but you're gonna run across people who actually don't know how to lead. Like, they don't know how to assess a situation and say, okay, I got 4 men under me. This person can do this person can do that person good at this, that person do good as that. And you don't have someone doing something that they're not good at, or that they are uncomfortable in, or they ain't gonna get you ain't gonna get 100%. You put them on what you can get 100% out of them in, and have someone else do this job. You see what I'm saying? So that's like utilizing your team members. But you're gonna see and run across people in the field and in the shop that does not know how to do that does not know how to keep the peace and assign different tasks to different people. You know what I mean? Like, I can't stand a foreman who allows other members of the team to take his position. Like, I thought you was the lead and the tail is leading. What is going on here? You see what I'm saying? But you're gonna run across and see a lot of that, man. So I know we all got to get money. I know we all got to pay bills. So if it's a situation that you can't take, man, just get out of there. If it's a situation you can, then just deal with what you got to deal with and just get the job done. But myself personally, if it rubs you wrong, or if it's rubbing you wrong, pull that person to the side. Talk to them and let them know, hey, this is how I feel. This is what you're doing. I'm recognizing this. Actions speak louder than words. And just see where it goes from there. And if it works out from there, then keep going with it. But if it doesn't, then move on. But that's what I have learned since I've been welling in the field and in the shop. Hog on.